Hi, this is Gi. In this time, I will introduce kanji character Higashi. Higashi. It's a JLPT N5 kanji. This program provides explanations of kanji characters for those who are learning Japanese. I think kanji is difficult to memorize because of the large number and complex shapes. If I were not Japanese, I would have definitely thought so. But mastering kanji will make learning Japanese easier. Master the kanji characters by reviewing this video many times or writing them over and over again. And please subscribe to my channel if you like. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the reading. First, the on reading is to. To. For example, words do you read this word? This is Tokyo. Tokyo, Tokyo. And this is Tokyo. Tokyo is a capital of Japan. Next. Tozai. 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 Tozai means east and west. To means east. Zai means west. And next. This is 東西南北。東西南北。東西南北。It means cardinal directions. To means 東。在 means To means east. Zai means west. Nan means south. boku means north. Tozai, Nanbok, Tozai, Nanbok. Okay, and so on. Next is a cool reading is Higashi. Higashi. For example, words. Higashi. Higashi. Higashi means east. Okay, for next. Mahigashi. Mahigashi. Mahigashi means due east. Next. Higashi Asia. Higashi Asia. Higashi Asia. Higashi Asia means Eastern Asia. So East Asia. East Asia are Japan and South Korea and North Korea and China and Taiwan. Okay, and so on. And next is a special reading. Do you know this word, or do you read this word? This is shinonome. Shinonome. This is very difficult word. Shinonome means clouds fluttering in the eastern sky at dawn. But we hardly ever use this word in our daily lives. Okay, and next is the meaning of the kanji for higashi. This kanji is used in the next meanings: east, okay, and next let's look at how to write this character. Really like this. Let's write it together. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 strokes. And the radical of this character is ki. Radical ki. And next, I will introduce a family name in Japan. Here are some family names that are particularly common in Japan. First, higashi or azuma. Higashi or azuma. Okay, next. Ito. Okay, next. Ando. And there are no specific well-known person names using this character higashi. And next, I will introduce Japanese celebrities who use the kanji higashi. I will introduce 4 persons and 3 Japanese person and 1 Chinese person.東郷東郷平八郎He was a commander of the combined fleet of the former Imperial Japanese Navy. And next, 黒田春彦、黒田春彦 and he's the governor of the Bank of Japan. Next,東野圭吾 He's a writer of mysteries. And now, do you know this person? He's very famous in the world. He was President of the People's Republic of China. Japanese reading, mo takuto. Chinese reading is perhaps Mao Zedong. Okay, next. Here are some kanji that similar to hitgashi. Tsuka or tawa. It means bundle. Okay, if you are on YouTube, you are finished here. In this kind of I will be showing you vocabulary, other words and proverbs, and example sentences that use them. If you would like to see the full version, please check out iLAB in the description below. It is $3.9 per month at monthly plan. The yearly plan is $3.25 per month. Moreover, now you can try it for free for 20 days. Of course, if you try it for free, if you try it and decide you don't want it, it's totally fine to cancel. If you cancel within 20 days, you will be not charged. I look forward to seeing you in iLAB for the rest of the show. See you next time, and thank you for watching. See you.